Welcome to this video. This joint project of the Iowa Legislative Services Agency and Drake University Law Library is intended to teach the public how to find information on the Iowa Legislature website. For additional information, please see the video description. In this video, we will cover the Search Tools portion of the Legislative Document Research Tool. The Search Tools subtab contains information to help you use the search engine. When I click on Search Tools to open it, you can see that by default, an electronic copy of the instructions for using the Legislative Document Research Tool displays in the document viewing area. Whenever the Legislative Services Agency changes the functionality of the search engine, they update this documentation. So this will always contain the most up-to-date copy of the instructions for your use. Clicking the documentation link at left will also pull up these instructions. Clicking on Keyword versus Topic displays a table explaining the difference between doing a keyword search or a topic search. Clicking on Query Syntax displays a list of search parameters. This advanced search technique allows you to specify the field where you want your results to appear and also explains how to use special characters to search for different results. Lastly, clicking the Document Type Available link provides a listing of the different formats the site provides for each publication type. All HTML documents are formatted for the internet and generated dynamically. PDFs are static, secure documents that are printer-friendly. Both will contain the same information if both are available for a particular publication type. In that case, it would largely be a matter of preference as to which format you want to use. Note, however, that when electronic versions on the Iowa Legislature website are deemed official by Code of Iowa provisions, it is the PDF version, not the HTML version, that is official. Thanks for watching. Links to the other videos in this series can be found in the video description.